In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your order details on Missguided. Whether you're checking the status of a recent purchase or just want to review your order history, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's easy and straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to visit the Missguided website. Simply type in www.missguided.com in the address bar and hit enter. Next, let's sign into your account. Take a look at the top right corner of the Missguided homepage where you'll find the sign in button. Give it a click. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address and password associated with your Missguided account. Remember, it's crucial to enter the correct details here to access your account successfully. If for some reason you don't remember your password, don't worry. There's usually an option to reset it, which should guide you through the process smoothly. Now that you're signed in, your next step is to navigate to My Account. To do this, look at the top right corner again, where you should see either your account name or an icon representing your account. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the My Account option. This will take you to your personal account dashboard where all your details and settings are stored. Once you're in the My Account section, you'll want to focus on finding your orders. Look for a tab or section labeled Orders or something similar. Sometimes it might be positioned prominently on the main account page, but other times you might need to scan through a few options to find it. Once you've located where your orders are listed, click on it and you'll see a comprehensive list of all your past and current orders. Browsing through this order history can give you insight into each individual purchase, including order numbers, delivery status, and any other relevant details you might need. If you're looking for a specific order, most platforms offer some way to search or filter your order history, which can be quite handy. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to your order details on Missguided. This process should empower you to keep track of your purchases and ensure everything is as expected. As always, if you run into any trouble or have specific questions about your orders, the Missguided customer service team is typically just a click away, ready to assist you further. I hope you found this guide helpful and you can now manage your Missguided orders with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.